Welcome to Tradewinds at Township, where we're going to take a tour of a rare, spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath that offers the opportunity to personalize your dream home. Okay, so here we are inside unit 404. You start off in a nice foyer that really sets the tone for your home. Then we head into the eat-in kitchen, which you can see has lots of cabinet space, a pantry, plenty of room to eat in, and you also have it open to the living room area. So it's perfect for family gatherings and other entertainment. So let's go ahead and check out the living room area. You have a nice dining area with our favorite wall of mirrors. So you can really set up this space any way that you want. It's a very open concept for the living room area. The nice bonus is you have a lot of natural light in here. And hidden behind here in the corner is a nice full-size laundry room. So go ahead, take a peek at it. You have full-size washer and dryer in there, along with extra closet and cabinetry for lots of storage. Okay, so next up, I want to show you the primary bedroom, which is off the living room area. Right over here, conveniently, you have a nice another linen closet. Then this room is pretty large. You can easily fit a king-size bed and 2 nightstands. Also a dresser, a chest, plenty of space. Now the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom area, you have a nice dressing area, walk-in closet, shower. Okay, come on, let's go see the second bedroom. Now remember, this floor plan, it's a split floor plan, so it's really nice. You have lots of privacy, whether you have other family members or guests that live here. There on the other side. So over here we have the closet for the AC handler and the water heater. We have the second bathroom. And then here is the second bedroom. You have a nice closet and you have built-in cabinetry, so you can easily use this as your office space, as a den, as a second bedroom. If you don't need this, you can also take it out. You can put it in a Murphy bed, TV room, whatever you want. This condo allows immediate rentals and is VA approved with the 40-year certification and reserve study underway for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this rare chance to make this spacious unit your own. Living in Tradewinds Village means access to incredible amenities like multiple pools, a relaxing sauna, a fully equipped gym, tennis and pickleball courts, jogging trails, and a performing arts center. There's something for everyone here. Located in a prime spot, you're just minutes away from shopping, dining, theaters, and major highways, making commuting and leisure activities a breeze. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today at 3150 Northwest 42nd Avenue, Unit E404 at Tradewinds at Township. Don't miss your opportunity to make this home your own and give me a call to schedule your private tour.